We're going to have a look at our upwind technique in strong wind and how we keep the boat driving.
To help us break this down, we're going to have a look at 4 topics over the next 4 videos: sail setup, body weight, main sheet and steering.
Generally, the windier it gets, the more we have to deal with waves, and steering is extremely important when it comes to our wave technique. We're looking to head up as the bow of the boat goes into the wave, meeting the wave's energy head on, and we're looking to bear away as the bow of the boat comes over the crest of the wave, generating speed to be able to head back up into the next wave. In choppy conditions, it's hard to ensure that our steering is in sync with the wave's frequency. Therefore, try and choose larger waves and just steer for those.